Think positively. Time can sail past for some people and drag for others. Which of the two applies to you depends mostly on your attitude. Use the power of positive thinking to make your plans successful, and even the most distasteful of tasks will seem painless. Make sure you do at least one thing every day that you enjoy. Enjoy life. Different people have different ways of enjoying themselves, but if you do not make the time to do the things that you genuinely enjoy, your whole outlook can be adversely affected. Be aware of tasks at work that give you particular pleasure, and make sure that they are well spread throughout your schedule. Plan regular leisure outings to the cinema, music festivals, or your favorite shows. In addition, try to cultivate a positive outlook, even when not engaged in the tasks that give you particular pleasure. This will keep you satisfied and feel pleasant. If you are book readers, read a passage by your favorite author last thing at night. Live well. The beginning and end of each working day are particularly important times. Start the day with a healthy, unhurried breakfast and sit down while you are eating to allow you to relax and enjoy it more. Very simple advice, yet very important for you to enjoy your Zen peace. Make sure that you leave yourself enough time to get to work without feeling rushed. At the end of the day, leave your workplace with a positive frame of mind. This will help to prevent the difficulties of the day from carrying over into your personal life. Make a conscious effort to relax and stop thinking about work at least 2 hours before you intend to go to bed. Eat healthy. Think carefully about what you are eating and at what time of the day. Ideally, your day should start with fresh fruit and cereals or bread and finish with a light meal. Avoid too much heavy food late at night, which can cause insomnia, fatigue, and irritability. Focus more on your colleagues' and clients' positive attributes. With a positive attitude to life, it is much easier and quicker to manage your time and solve problems at work. Start focusing on feeling good about yourself and your life, and you will be less likely to interpret the problems of others as your own. This will help you to be objective, productive, and constructive in coming up with methods of dealing with tight deadlines and budgets and resolving conflict. Avoid stress. By definition, busy people do not seem to have time to plan their future. It takes determination to find time in a busy schedule to think about how to use the next few hours productively. Psychologically, however, it is good practice to plan your activities because it enables you to be in command of your time, putting you back in the driving seat of situations that look as if they might go out of control. When you take the time to plan, you can consciously be positive, and this will help you avoid stress as well as achieve your goals.